Hello, today we are going to show you how to manage your email accounts in Godaddy. We are Website Casa. We build Godaddy WordPress websites and we also build bespoke websites. If you need more information, just go to websitecasa.com, click on Get Started, fill out the short form, or you can just give us a call on 832-541-2161. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy dashboard. So you'll need your username and password. When you log in, you'll see a screen like this. You'll just go to where it says web hosting. Now, you may only have one hosting package. I have multiple packages, but you'll just go to the relevant hosting package, click on manage. When you click on manage, it's going to take you to a screen where it has other information about your account. You can ignore most of it. What you're going to simply do is click on the black button that says cPanel. When you click on cPanel, it will take you into your cPanel. There's a lot of information in here that you'll probably never need to use. What you're looking for is this header that says email. You'll click on where it says email accounts. And from here, it's pretty simple. If you have an existing email address, now this only applies to Webmail. Let me stress that. This only applies to Webmail. So if you're using Office 365, this is not the way that you'll access it. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create and then determine what domain name you want to, what email address you want to use. So you could use hello at. And if you have more than one hosting package in the hosting account, it will allow you to select which domain name you want to use. There's one domain name in this hosting package, so it's only giving you that option. You'll need to enter a password, or it can generate a password for you. And then you will click Create. The only other thing that you really need to think about is the storage space. You can make the storage space unlimited, or you can manage how much storage space that you want to use. If you use 250 megabytes, once it gets to 250, it won't accept any other emails. So you might want to click unlimited. I would say go ahead and send a welcome email and instructions on setup, because the webmail isn't as simple as maybe Office 365 or the other email systems that you're used to. So for the sake of demonstration, I've let it generate a password for me. I'm going to click Create. When I click Create, it's going to give me some options of different webmail systems that I can use. So here you see hello@trainingcasa.com. The first thing that I'm going to do, and I'll only need to really do this the first time, is click on where it says Check Mail. It's going to take me into that webmail setup. I usually use Roundcube. You can use Horde if you'd like. There's another one that sometimes shows up. So you can click Set as Default, and then click on Roundcube, and it will take you into the back end of your email, and it's all set up. And it's because you've asked it to send you the setup instructions, you already have an email with the setup instructions. There's more that you can do in email. I just want to show you where you can set up a new email address and where you can manage existing email addresses. So by going into your control panel, and then going to the heading that says email, and then clicking on email accounts, it will take you to the panel where you can control existing email accounts, you can create additional email accounts, and you can alter the storage on the existing accounts that you have. So that was just a quick video on how to add email accounts using Godaddy Webmail. We are Website Casa. We are part of Astor Business Centers in Houston, Texas. If you're looking for business support, an office space, a business address, business telephone number, just go on over to astorbusinesscenters.com and click on the relevant menu item, or just click on Contact and send us a message. If you're specifically looking for business support or advice, including coaching, just go to quizzard.com and you can book a session with me or one of the business consultants, or we have access to some really great resources, including business plans, avatars, and other information. For more information, give us a call on 832-617-7959, or for website cast, you can give us a call on 832-541-2161. Thanks for watching my video.